In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix X or Tutor app video not playing. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, enable for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This will refresh your network. Next thing you want to do is update the X app. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app X. After app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, check for the outages for the app X. For that, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website Down Detector. Now search for X. If you found out any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be solved from their end. If none of these solutions work, completely delete the app from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. These are some solutions for fixing X app video not playing. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.